is liberty. In your presence where there is deliverance. Oh my God. Oh, you renew our souls when we are in your presence, my Father. Lord, you touch us once again in your presence. God, you deliver us when we are in your presence. My God, we get revived when we are in your presence. Oh, in your presence. I want nothing more but to be in your presence. I want nothing more but to be in your presence. Oh, how much I long to be in your presence. You are a loving God, a caring in your presence. Oh my God, my God, my God. In your presence. Oh Father God. In your presence. Oh Shandanayamaya. I just wanna be in your presence, presence, my Lord. Oh my God, to be in your presence. I worship you. I worship you, Jehovah. Yande masi karabayende, robo siyandarabakasete, rande mo shika. Oh, you are wonderful, Lord. How excellent and wonderful Lord. How glorious and powerful you are. Oh my when you're in God's presence. Wasli, chikochikuri. Auna unenakayona. Utsimuanga ndiri chavero langa, ndiri kukudu langa. Ndiri chitando changa, mirero yanga. Utsimu wenda fulbezi. Waimba wari. Zam. Let's just very film Zoom. Kamishuma Apostle chapter 6. We should try Kamandaka 16. But the honor Kowana Gama Pungo and Damure. Ya Paulo na Silas. Abangu iwana nga ubadira balanga koto. Abangu iwana nga ubalubereza. Abangu iwana nga uriba abachifi Paulo na Silas ngechishwika. Marakuwa na kila mzimu lishoro budzori. Baba kudorosha mzimu. They were deep in worship. Abango banandaba kanyemerera bekhaya wesaphanda na uchakorera dzina mdzimu tabalo bamdzi basadibi uri matina ndi kunengamelo yaba hona kana ndune deliverance yabo ya tochakwa chimvawo. We don't know, or as South Africans kana as an African jungle lot ngawanga reds ka state chine raba khacho shine chikudaretini. But for as long as I can shimela mzimasho for upezea anere yasibazori chimuruba ori uzura katinduza milome yabana babo. So ngare vachinga vakamwa na mwo washo rari yes rido varefila rido rabe marara rido tiyo dova ragwada mara ditukubatsi ngauri ri a tshamefini ḽavho a ri vhathu vhanga arali vhathu vhanga vha ḽidziwaho nga dzina langa vha nga ḓiṱukufhadza na Yehova ndi ḓo ḓa nda fhodza shango ḽavho. We don't know if we humble ourselves before God anga takuwa a ita maḓembo maga. Let's keep on believing in God na kha tshifhinga tshetshi na kha tshifhinga tshetshi ndi mudzimu wavhuḓi ndi mudzimu wavhuḓi.